Weche mamoko en ni piny owacho medo manyo yore mag duoko chien jotuech ma pacho ka nyaka sani ji maromo 62,000 ni e ute mag thieth mopogore. Jagoro mongirore ute mag tuech Salome Becho sani koro wacho ni thothgi gin joma nigi makosa matindo tindo kaka mer kata kaka dhaw kod tamruok chulo rambun. Omedo ni kanyakla kod doho girango yore mag ng'iyo joma nigi makosa matindo tindo to twe mondo mi ong'i kaka ginyalo tieko tuech margi oko mar jela. Oyango mae sama ne giyango chenro mag udi ni apisa mag jela osingo na tamalo ma 80 mag jotuech mondo losnegi yoregi.
Many of them are petty offenders, drunk and disorderly jaywalking, those kind of offenses. And for the most part of the reason they are unable to raise the bail is because of their background. And so we will be encouraging the judiciary through the CSO committee chair to see and to explore possibility of having these remandees be given community service orders and probation orders. Have engaged the State Department of Housing to roll out affordable housing very, very soon in all the other prison precincts. We have 135 of them. At least in the other 130 of them, we should be able in the next coming months to roll out affordable housing in those areas.
We have allocated enough money for them to make sure that these projects are completed. Initially, the government did not have money. The former government went short of money. But I want to take this opportunity to thank the current government. Actually, it is working with those problems, but it has provided enough money on these projects that were stalled.